Well, thank you, Jeff. And I know we get to talk, and I always appreciate your input into what we're talking about. And that brings me to exactly something that I was thinking about in terms of this interview. I was not going to go to Jeff Martin and say how the quarter is. I was going to say that you have reinvented this company, and you've made it into what I used to think Exxon was, when Exxon was a great company. It was a great growth energy company. Well, that's what you are now. And you're doing it in all the growth areas of our country and in Mexico. And to me, that's why you have the perfect combination of high growth and good yield that I used to get from a company like Exxon.
Well, we certainly think we're a top-tier growth and income story. And I'll tell you, we're fighting just to make it onto your COVID-19 portfolio, Jim. We think we've got a great story. 2 years ago, we launched a strategic initiative. You and I have talked about this before, but there's so much value in simplifying your business. We've been able to concentrate our investments in the most attractive markets, all with the goal of producing better financial returns. I think the Tax Reform Act in 2017 was important because it lowered the hurdle to repatriate earnings out of South America, and it's allowed us to really go much deeper into California and Texas. And if you think about the markets we're in, pre-COVID, California was the 5th GDP economy in the world. Texas was number 10, and Mexico was number 15. And in each of those markets, we have the number 1 market position. So we think that's a great way to manage risk. And a big part of the story you touched on is we're not in the commodity side of the business. We're not into generation, which is being disintermediated by renewables. We're focused on good old-fashioned transmission and distribution, and there's a ton of capital investment in that space. It's really driving our results.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.